Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on your ACER Chromebook 315. To enter the recovery mode, first power your device off completely, then hold down escape and refresh buttons at the same time, and while holding them, press the power button once to turn on your computer. And keep holding these two buttons until you see this menu. And this is the recovery mode. Now you're gonna have to start the recovery, you're gonna have to enter the USB stick or SD card with the recovery tool on them, and you can also check your device's model right here. And to exit this menu, you simply turn off your computer by short pressing the power button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.